Right, so the first thing I've got to do, preparing to put the davits on, the gantry davits, is I've got to remove the lifeboat stations, all 4 sets of them. So I've just done this one. Now, when I did this back in 2012, I used Revell Contactor. And then what I've had to do is I've had to get my Tamiya Extra Thin and get it to seep in underneath my lifeboat stations, so you could see where it was. So it was there to there. The first half of it had come loose slightly and it was up slightly, but round here it wasn't. So I got my Tamiya Extra Thin, put it in, left it for a couple of minutes to work, and then I got my scalpel underneath and twisting it, and eventually I managed to get it all the way in, and it went in by itself, and I just went dink like that, and just separating them. So then I've obviously got to sand all that down and then repaint it. These is where these little things sticking up here, them are the threads that you have to thread in and to the smokestack. But obviously, I've looked on some plans, and the smokestack plan, the smokestack, the funnels, their lines are in slightly different positions, especially on the front here. I think the third funnel's the same. I think the second funnel might be slightly different, and the fourth funnel, because the davits will go here, them are slightly different as well. So I've got to redo all that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the Tamiya Extra Thin, loosen all these lifeboat stations, and then it'll all be the same as this one. So that's where I'm starting at the moment. Also, I've got to remove the collapsibles off as well, because there's going to be lifeboat racks here in the middle of the davits, and one of the lifeboat racks is going to be on there, and it's going to be on there as well. So the collapsibles have got to come off as well. But yeah, started finally after nearly 20 months. I've actually started work back on the Britannic. Whee! Right, so I'm doing the rear deck lifeboats. So I've applied my Tamiya Extra Thin both sides, and if I use my scalpel, you can see that it's loosened them, and then you can probably also see that it looks like tar. It's like a liquid clear tar now. So, and that's basically what happens. I mean, I'm having to do this one-handed, but that's what's happening. So get my scalpel underneath there like that, and just very gently get underneath. One thing you don't want to do though is what I did attempt to do was I get my knife in from this side and like doing that, but it slightly separated the superstructure away from the deck. So I'm gonna have to probably reapply some glue in and reclamp it. But yeah, if you get your scalpel, if you've got one like this or a thin handle one, just go in like prise that up slightly, and then get your knife in so it goes in underneath both sides, and then just twist the knife. I mean, you can easily replace the blade, it's not a problem, but it's just this section here now, but that's what you want to do. Right, this one's being a bit more difficult, so I can't do this one-handed, but that's what you need to do anyway. Just get your knife there, lift that back bit up, and then just angle your knife so you get it through to the other side like that, and just gently twist. It's just that one isn't cooperating very well. It's probably going to snap, so I'm going to leave it there and then I'm going to do this part two-handed, but that's what you need to do. Right, I've now got the lifeboats off of the deck now, and you can see, you probably can make out all the residue that's left behind. I left that to dry overnight, so hopefully with my sander it should be pretty much easy to get up. It's more prevalent there, look, you can see. But all 4 sets of lifeboats are off now. I've also took the collapsibles off as well. So all I've got to do now is sand where the glue was, and then get this ready for the davits. Right, so what I've done is I've sanded off the dried paint. Once that was sanded, I then got the normal household filler and filled in the trench. It was only about 1 mil deep, but it needed to be filled in, so I just filled it in with a household filler, both sides, and then just sanded it down. So all I've got to do now is just get my 36188 ochre, which is what the deck has been painted in from 2012, and just paint over where it's been filled in, because on the where the collapsibles was, I've like I said, I sanded that down with a glue mark, and then reapplied the ochre, took a couple of coats, and that's blended in really nice. So once that's been repainted, I can then start putting the davits down, the Gantry davits. Right, so I'm just test fitting my davits. So when I left here, I just sanded off where the filler was for where the lifeboat stations were. So I've sanded it all down, painted it in the 36188 ochre, and even though the deck, you know, this model is like 14 years old, the new ochre paint blends in with the old ochre paint, which is absolutely fantastic. So what I'm doing is, if you remember, my davits, some of them broke off the cage, so I've had to blue tack them down to airbrush them. So I've kept the blue tack on and just test fitting on the deck, and I've also cut away 2 of my lifeboats just for size, and I've got it in the same width as the removable railing for where the collapsibles was. It's not going to be historically accurate for placement, but the spirit will be there. Also, I've got my 1 mil strip out, and I'm making some of the framework for the lifeboat racks themselves. So what I've done is I just measured 10 mil by 13, but I've actually put them on top, so I think them like 12 by 13. I've still got to put the cross frame in. But I downloaded some plans for the 1/700 scale Britannic, and what I'm realising there's supposed to be a raised platform, and then the racking goes on top of that. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get me some sheet styrene, what do I call it? Oh dear. Anyway, get some sheet styrene rods, I suppose. And I've measured from there to there is 7 mil high. So I'm going to have to get some, that's sheets, that's it. 7 mil high by 1 mil thick little sheets. I'm going to pop to Hobbycraft on Monday, on the bank holiday, and I'm going to see if I can get the 7 mil strips. Not sheets, strips. and I'm going to see if I can build the raised platform, because I'm going to need some of that 7mm strips to once I've removed all this and put the raised deck on. I've got to build the deck house, which I think was the morgue, on the back, and I've also got to put some raised platforms on the back of here as well. So hopefully Hobbycraft will stock those strips. If not, I'll have to get them on eBay. But that doesn't look too bad as a mock-up. It's looking really, really good. So let's see what happens once I get those strips. Right, welcome back. I've managed to get my strips now. I didn't get them from Hobbycraft. I couldn't find nothing in Hobbycraft that I wanted. And to be honest, their model section is really slow and declining. It's just shrunk and shrunk and shrunk again. I mean, it's probably been 6 to 8 months since I last went in Hobbycraft. So I had to go on eBay and I bought 1mm thick by 6mm wide by, I think it was 350mm long. I bought a pack of 10 strips. There's the strip. There's the pack there. And I've cut these down and made my little raised platform on there. So I did the 4 sides first. Glued those together. Let it set. Put the bottom on with my sheet plastic that I've got, 1mm thick. And then put a lid on it. And then once that had dried, I then painted the lid ochre to match the deck. Now, I'm just trying to remember which way I had this. That's it. So that sits there, like that. I haven't glued it or anything yet. So now what I'll do is I'll get my 1mm strips that I bought a week ago. And I will start there like that. There like that. And then using my little pieces that I've got there. And then make another level and another level for the 5 or 6 lifeboats that will go in front of that. So that's my raised platform done. Also, I've primed the feet for the davits. Now on the davit feet, there's one for each. There's 2 feet for each davit. It goes each side of the davit on the floor. On there. So I've primed these now. I've got to do the lifeboat racks first. Once those are done, then I can actually finally glue the davit to the deck. And then once the davit's glued down, I can then start putting my rigging in, because on the Britannic, especially round the forward davits and the 4 rear section davits, the lines from the smokestack, the rigging lines, they're in a slightly different position that Titanic was in. So I've got some plans on my phone. So once I've done all that, then I can get the proper positioning of the rigging lines. But it's, you know, it's a slow process, you know, getting all this ready. But that's, you know, for the forward davit. I've still got to do, I think it's another 2 of these for the rear davits, because I think I've got a raised platform on this one, and then on this one that goes here, it's like I've got to build the rack from the deck upwards. I don't know why there's one raised deck and then one where I've got to build the rack from the actual deck itself. So, but yeah, slow progress, but I'm getting there.